Hey, I'm Dr. Joanna Holleran, and today I'm going to show you how to do a hip 90-90 stretch. This is a great stretch to help you improve your internal rotation and external rotation of the hip. So let's set it up. You're going to have one knee bent at 90 degrees right in front of you, and another, your back knee is going to be 90 degrees kind of toward your backside. So with this position, we want to be as upright as we can without letting our body kind of really side bend. So you're gonna try to stay as upright as you can without that bend. If you need something to assist you, I'm gonna show you on this side how you can use an object to assist you to sit a little bit more upright. You can use something like a yoga block to place next to you and push into so that I don't get this big slouched bend. I can use this to kind of assist me in this upright position. Then from there, you're going to make sure that your knee is positioned directly in front of your hip. So it's not going to be wider than my hip here. We want it directly in front of us, okay? Then from there, we're gonna hinge forward to feel a stretch in the back of our hip on our front leg, without letting ourselves kind of collapse and the spine to really round as we come down. I'm gonna hinge forward so that I feel a nice stretch right on the outside of my hip here. So again, sitting nice and upright, hinge forward, spine straight, and feel that stretch right in your hip here. So we just stretched our front hip and external rotation. Now we're gonna do this back hip into internal rotation. So to do this, we are gonna sit nice and upright again and sit our back hip down toward the mat. While we do this, we wanna try and get our trunk to move in one unit together and not kind of be twisting through the lower back, trying to keep a nice neutral spine. If you need to use blocks behind you to assist you to sit upright and move as one unit while you bring your hip back and down, you can definitely do that. This front knee can also come up as we rotate backwards. You can even bring your foot a little bit closer to your knee if that's more comfortable as you rotate into that internal rotation position. You should feel this kind of around the crest of your hip in a nice deep stretch as you sit your knee back. A common mistake when stretching into this internally rotated position is to have your knee too bent. So your foot is a little bit too close to your butt. As you sit back, it's going to put a little bit too much pressure and torque on the knee. So make sure you're at a nice 90-degree angle with the knee as you sit that hip back.